Hello students. So continuing with the Egyptian civilization, today we study about the religion that they followed. So let's begin. Religion. The sun god Re was the most important Egyptian god. The moon, the floods, and other natural phenomena were also worshipped. There were some local gods too, represented by the symbols of certain animals like the crocodile, jackal, and cow. Sun god Re. There was the most important Egyptian god was Re. His name was Re. He was the sun god. The deity of sun. For example, we worship in Hindu culture, we worship sun as Surya Devta. Similarly, their name was Re. They named the sun god as Re. The moon, the floods, and other natural phenomena were also worshipped. The moon was also worshipped. The floods were also worshipped. Weather phenomena like storms and cyclones and all such natural phenomena like dust storms, they were also worshipped. There were some local gods too, represented by the symbol of certain animals like the crocodile, jackal, and cow. One of the I can remember of one of the local gods of Egyptian civilization who represented jackal. His name was Anubis. Anubis. Anubis was one Egyptian god who represented jackal. About crocodile and cow, I'm not sure about these two, but about jackal I know. The Egyptians believed that after death, both the body and the soul continued to live in another world. Egyptian Egyptian had a belief. They thought that there is no end to death. Even after death, the body and soul, they continue to live in another world, afterlife, another life, altogether a different life. Accordingly, they embalm dead bodies. Embalming is a process which was followed by Egyptians basically. They applied salt and chemicals on dead bodies in order to preserve them. So they applied salt and certain chemicals they would use, so the dead body would not decay. It would remain preserved for a long time. The bodies were then wrapped in strips of cloth and preserved in coffins. Then the bodies were wrapped in strips of cloth. You would have seen the mummy. You have seen the mummies. The mummies are basically wrapped in cloth. Mummy is something mythical, but still, if that was the process, basically, they used to wrap them in cloth, and then they used to keep them in coffins, and in the coffins that body was laid down and laid to rest. These embalmed bodies are called mummies. So basically mummies are the ones where when after death there is a process of embalming, and that embalming process and that tying up the body with cloth, they are known as mummies. The coffins were buried in tombs along with the personal belongings of the dead. So these coffins, they were buried in tombs. They were kept in tombs and they were buried there. Also, the personal belongings of the dead person, for example, supposedly he had a certain material that he used to carry with him, maybe a knife, a dagger, a piece of cloth. All these things, they were buried with the dead. Fabulous riches were found in the tomb of the pharaoh Tutankhamun. In the pharaoh, what was pharaoh? We have studied that pharaohs were the king. Pharaohs were the kings, and in the tomb of Tutankhamun, who was a pharaoh, a lot of jewelry, a lot of things of very high material value have been found. That is what it says. So these were basically, this was the religion, like they had their gods, they had their processes for embalming dead people. They also, in the picture you can see a stone bust of a pharaoh. In the picture, this picture depicts a pharaoh. That's how they used to look during that time. So that is a stone bust of a pharaoh. So we should stop here today. We will be continuing with script and developments in science and technology in next class. Have a good day, students.